Disassemble the motor housing. Loosen the screws and adjust the light source upwards and downward. Loosen the screw to adjust the light source left and right. Loosen the motor screw and adjust the light source position. The light source is positioned upwards. Loosen the upper screw to adjust it downwards. The light source is positioned too low. Loosen the screw below to adjust it upwards. Tighten the motor screws. Check if the laser position is in the middle. Replace the cutting nozzle for more accurate adjustment. Observe whether the laser is in the middle position. After adjustment is completed, close the motor cover.